Hi guys, it's Alice from the Lancashire Wildlife Trust marketing team. Now I don't know about you, but whilst I've been stuck inside, I've been hearing loads of birds singing, but I've not been able to see them very well. So what I'm going to show you how to do today is make your own pair of binoculars that you can do in the safety of your own home with things that you can find in the home. All you're going to need is 2 toilet roll tubes, some sellotape, some felt tip pens, a pair of scissors and some string. First up, the fun bit, decorate the toilet roll tubes. There's one made. Now all you need to do is do that one more time and then you've got 2. Once you've got your 2 sorted, next thing you need to do is to punch a little hole about 1/4 of the way down with a pair of scissors. Best to ask a grown-up to do that because it can be a little bit tricky. Then once you've got the holes in, we need to stick them together. So we need 2 long pieces of sellotape. Here's some I prepared earlier. And stick one to the bottom like that. And we need one at the top like this, and make sure you don't sellotape over the hole you've just punched as well. So now you need to put your string in one of the holes. Once you've got the string inside the hole, you just need to get a little bit of sellotape and stick it inside. That way you can use the string to hold it all around your neck. And there you have it. You've got your own set of binoculars to pop around your neck and to go outside bird watching. Have fun!